Introducing the 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, fully automatic headlights, a tonneau cover, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.